Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. In this video we're going to do something a little different. I just got this free calculator from Numworks. They just sent this to me and I thought I would unbox it and show some of the fun stuff they gave me and show you a little bit about the calculator. So first of all, I just really love this box. How fun and cute are all these different like little math squiggles and doodles. Okay, so they sent me this really nice handwritten note. This really nice tote with a calculator on it, a sticker, a pen, so many goodies. This is like a shell for the calculator, which looks like it has like a picture of a compass and it kind of looks like a card with like the king and queen symbols. And then of course the calculator itself. So it says Numworks on it. First of all, I'm just going to change and use my fancy card as its holder. Okay, so there's a couple of different features that really stand out with this calculator. So first you can see this home screen kind of looks like, you know, like an iPhone. It has all these different apps. We have the calculation, the functions, the Python, the equations, probability, statistics, sequences, regression, and the settings. So you notice there's like a nice like focus on statistics and data analysts and even some computer programming. So because we have the normal functions here that are on your regular TI 83 or 84, but the calculations. So here we could just calculate anything like 5 plus 2 is 7, and then to go back we could just go to the home button. So that's just like your regular calculator. And then for functions we can really just graph whatever we want to here. So we go add a function and we get f of x, and we could plug in anything we want. So let's just do x squared plus x plus 1, hit OK, and then we go up and over using the arrow keys to the graph. We get this nice picture of a graph, which is pretty cool. We go back to the home button. So it has all the basic capabilities, but the things that really stand out with this calculator, there's a couple of cool things. So the things that I found, so I don't even know, there might even be more, but I found there's an equation solver. So if you go down to this equation solver right here, so we could put in any equation. So they have like these templates you can choose from and edit, or you could just do empty. So let's just say we wanted to find the x values of x squared minus 16. So what are the x values of that? So if we go to solve the equation, okay, you could see it gives you the root, so we know that x is equal to -4, x is equal to 4, and even gives you the discriminant value of 64, which is pretty cool. So with that Python stuff, so I am not a computer programmer by any means, but I have done like a little Python experience. But here they give you can either program your own scripts in here, or you can actually run scripts that they have. So if you go in here, they have scripts ready to go. So if we hit OK, you could see this is one they already have in here. And if you wanted to run it, you would just go over, click OK, click execute, and then you would go to the var button right here, and then hit enter for squares, and then enter, and then it programs it, and it's going to end up making this really cool picture. So this might take a little bit. So yeah, so it makes this really awesome picture, and there's other scripts you can explore and run and execute also in this Python section. So these all do different things. Oh, so the last thing I want to show you guys is the exam mode. So the exam mode, just warning, like kind of deletes everything, including those Python scripts I just showed you, but you can get them back using the reset button. So to go to exam mode, this is really great for teachers. If you go to settings and then go all the way down to exam mode, click OK, and you activate exam mode. So it's gonna delete everything. So that's kind of like the point of exam mode. But this is great for teachers because then when this is on, you see that everything's deleted, so no one's cheating. And there's this red blinking light here, which is cool. So that's how you know students aren't cheating. And then students out there who want to get like their data back, you would want to get like all those scripts back again, you would just have to go behind the calculator and hit this tiny little reset button here, and it'll give you your scripts again. And the weird thing is with exam mode, the only way to get out of exam mode, so this is the only thing I thought was weird, the only way to get out of exam mode is to plug this into the computer with the cable it came with. And that's the calculator. It's pretty cool. I feel like there's even more to explore, things I don't even know about, and I'm excited to look at this more. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Happy calculating. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!